Hello, I'm on the road. I'm on the road, guys. Yes. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Yes. I'm just doing a short something for you guys. I'm out on the road today. Yeah, I'm out here today. Yes. All of the four things then. China shop me, you know. I'm in the Chinese shop. See everything there. Pop chow. Pop chow. Yes. I'm in the alimentation shop where I can get all those thrown out. So I'm gonna buy this piece of cabbage here for $1.80. These are the snacks. Snacks. I think I'm gonna get me banana chips, but I don't see banana chips. I only see plantain chips. If I go around and I don't see the banana chips, I come back and I get plantain chips. That's what, guys. I don't know what is happening down the road, but something will go on down there. Some demonstration. I don't know what it is about. No clue. But I will not put that on my camera. Yes. No. I will give you a sneak peek. But that's it. Everything is on a standstill now because the demonstration is in progress. Yes, guys, I come out in the ville today, in the commercial area, and me never know, say, them big excitement here go on here. Yeah? Roadblock and all these things. Because the people them are demonstrate. Yes, demonstration. The way how you see the police them with them armor. You that think say I attack them under. Yes. So guess what? The tram them now run. The bus them now run to a point. Them honestly them now run to a point. So me I walk now, go way down the road, go see if me can get transportation for go home, because for the longest while I want to go home and it not happen. Because a demonstration, I can't reach at my yard. Can't go to my yard. So over there, see the KFC over there, so there's a big demonstration going on. I don't know how far it will be. But we can't get a transport to go. I mean, I don't know, so these bills busy. Police will be busy.
Ja.
Train stop run. Tram stop run. Bus stop run. Everything stop run. I don't know when I'm where. So I'm in the Vale of Nice. I'm in the Vale of Nice. Hear that no, guys. Police them busy like a bee. The police them busy like a bee. So this is me, guys. I am right here with you. Yes.